Are you having some issues with your dishwasher, leaking water on the floor, or perhaps you're feeling a lot of extra steam and heat coming out from the top? Good chance it's your door gasket. We're going to show you how to change that. Doesn't require any tools, so let's fix it. So our first step, of course, is to open the door. Now we want to remove the old gasket. Just a matter of coming down into one corner and just giving it a pull. It just slides into a channel, so we're just going to pull it off all the way around. And we'll discard the old gasket. Now our new gasket, you want to find the middle point of the gasket, and we'll start at the middle point on the top of the tub. Now they've made it easy for us in the fact that they've put this yellow dot on the gasket. That tells us where the center of the dishwasher is. So with our yellow dot being the center, we're going to line that up with our catch at the top of the tub. So with the yellow dot facing downward, we'll insert that into the channel and just work the gasket into the channel all the way along. And just go along with your thumb and press it in all the way around. Your new gasket is installed. Now we just need to close the door, latch it, and your repair is complete.